Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the basics. Open both a custodial exchange account and a non-custodial wallet and back up the seed phrase offline. Once done, fund the accounts with a test amount, $50 to $500, to establish position sizes and learn fees. Make sure to enable 2FA, set withdrawal whitelists, and confirm KYC so you can trade higher amounts later. Next, buy a small core allocation in a major asset to get trade execution experience, and log every trade for quick review. Once comfortable, scale with a repeatable plan. Dollar cost average using 1/2 to 1/12 of your target monthly contribution so you avoid timing risk. Explain allocations in concrete terms: core 60%, growth 30%, high risk 10%, and rebalance every quarter to lock gains and control drift. Make sure to set stop losses and position caps per trade, and diversify across chains and protocols to reduce single-point failure. This is how you trade growth, while preserving capital and learning execution. You finish by building an exit plan tied to explicit targets, partial sells at 2x, 5x, and 10x, for example, so emotions don't destroy gains. Once done, use on-chain gas optimization and limit slippage by timing trades and using fee estimation tools. This saves costs. If something goes wrong, immediately freeze exchange access, contact support, and follow recovery steps for wallets. Finally, review your logs weekly and adjust position sizes. This closes the loop between execution and continuous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.